Actually, the fake currency notes being circulated in the country. It's very surprising is how the people are able to gain the printing machine in such a way that they can give the perfect printing actually fake notes. This is a very challenge for before the actually Home Ministry and also National Investigation Agency. The main reasons announced by Honorable Prime Minister for demonstration effected in October 2016 are actually bringing about black money, eradication of fake currency notes and curbing terror financing. But however, within few weeks of announcement, fake currency notes of high value have started surfacing in the market. Smuggling and pushing fake currency, high value notes from across the Indo-Bangladesh border is of such a large quantity that it has been handed over to the National Investigation Agency for further actually deep probe. While fake notes found in some parts of the country in the beginning were photocopied versions, the counterfeit seized at the Indo-Bangladesh had most of the security features like Gandhi waterman mark next to the national emblem, but a fake currency said. So RBI Reserve Bank officials reportedly admit that adding additional security features in a new high-value currency requires a mammoth exercise and needs several rounds of consultation. So there was no time to introduce additional security features in the new currency notes of 2,500. So there has been around half dozen cases where fake currency notes in the denomination of 2,000 were recovered. A case was registered recently in Mohali near Chandigarh where 2,000 currency notes with a face value of 42 lakhs was recovered. When West Bengal police registered another case following recovered made by BSF as Indo-Bangladesh border. The latest seizures were made on the February 8th in Munishabad from two suspects who were carrying fake notes 2,000 denomination. According to source, a study by investigation experts of seized notes revealed that at least 7 of the security features in the new 2,000 notes had been replicated. They included transparent area, watermark, Ashoka pillars, emblem, etc. Although the print and proper quality of seized counterfeits were poor, they resembled genuine notes. By said, it is difficult to detect fake notes even by the bankers also. When the naked eye, it's a very serious matter. I demand that the government and Reserve Bank of India and Home Ministry must take all pains care to address the issue of counterfeit notes of high value pushed by smugglers through porous Indo-Bangladesh border and introduce additional security features to safeguard the country. This is such a serious matter. If do not control, it may destabilize Indian economy also.
भारत के अंदर अनेक उन्नत नस्ल की गायें हैं जिनको चुरा करके ले जा करके विदेश वाले क्रॉस करा करके होलेस्टीन, फ्रीजियन, ये कौन कौन गाय बना करके फिर हम वापस लाते हैं।